Hi, Sarah the AI here. In this video, I will show you how to use the WPML language switcher with Mortar Menu. When using WPML with bricks, people often use the language switcher element. And to have that element, you need to enable the custom language switchers of WPML first. Once custom language switchers enabled, search for language switcher on the Elements panel. You will see the element. You can add it to wherever you want, but do not add it inside the Mortar menu. The language switcher element is a dedicated element and has nothing to do with Mortar menu. I just want to tell you that so you can avoid the mistake of adding the language switcher element into the Mortar menu. Another way of using language switcher from WPML is to add it into a WordPress menu. In this case, you can set the source of the menu items to a WordPress menu. For me, I set it to an English menu which has a translated version in Vietnamese. Now we will go to the language settings of WPML and add the language switcher to the English menu. For the appearance, you can choose whatever you want. For me, I will use the drop-down layout with flag. And there it is. That's how we use WPML language switcher with Mortar menu. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.